Hey there, welcome to this exciting journey into full stack development. My name is Osman and I am a full stack software engineer. Over the years, I have worked on real world production level applications and I have noticed something. Learning full stack development can feel overwhelming. Backend, frontend, and cloud. Everything is taught in silos and it's really hard to see how they all connect. That's why I'm creating this free comprehensive course where we will build a real world application together step by step. Alright, so here's our course overview. Our journey will be divided into three phases. In phase 1, we will focus on building robust backend with microservices, where we will explore clean architecture, vertical slice architecture, CQRS, middleware, API gateway, identity, authentication, logging, caching, notifications, and much more. In phase 2, we will shift our direction to the front end, where we will decide between React or Angular for our client-side application. Finally, in phase 3, we will dive into cloud services. We will utilize cloud features such as storage, compute services, vaults, CI/CD pipelines, and much more. Alright, so what are we going to build? We are going to develop a mini social platform. The idea is just to start small and gradually expand. Initially, we will include core services like identity, a user profile service for managing friends, followers, and user settings, a post creation service for sharing content. Along the way, we will add more features like notifications, and I am even considering integrating a chat service to make it more dynamic and interactive. Think of this as a living project where we will continuously innovate and grow together. Alright, so who is this course for? I believe this is for everyone. Whether you are a beginner, an intermediate, or experienced professional, you will gain hands-on experience while building skills to advance your career. Alright, before moving forward, I want to discuss the skill of the future. There was a time when a generation focused on education to qualify themselves for the future. Then came an era where acquiring a skill became the focus, and I believe we are currently living in that era. Today, there is no shortage of skilled people or even machines with incredible capabilities thanks to the AI. That's make me think, what is the skill of the future that even the most advanced AI cannot master? For me, that skill is empathy. The ability to understand, connect, and care for others. While we focus on developing technical brilliance and acquiring a skill, let's not forget to cultivate empathy. It's the skill the world is missing today, and one that will be even missed more in the future. Alright, let's conclude our introduction. I know there are a lot of paid courses out there, but most of them aren't well structured, often fragmented with everything taught in silos. This is going to be a complete hands-on roadmap for full stack development from front-end, back-end to cloud, designed to help you build real-world skills. And here's the best part, it's completely free. The only thing you need to invest is your time. Creating this course takes a lot of effort and passion, but what truly keeps me going is your support. Your support means everything. So do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Every action inspires me to deliver valuable content, and your engagement keeps this journey alive. Alright, let's dive into this course and start building something amazing together.